From the 180 million-year-old Daintree rainforest in the north of Queensland to the cool, misty temperate rainforests of Tasmania, Australia's rainforests can be found right across the country, encompassing UNESCO World Heritage Areas and hundreds of national parks and reserves. North Queensland. The Daintree rainforest is the largest rainforest in Australia, taking up a space of around 1,200 square kilometres, located in far north Queensland between the towns of Port Douglas and Cooktown. Cassowaries are flightless birds of the genus Casuarius, in their order Casuariiformes. They are classified as ratites, flightless birds without a keel on their sternum bones. Cassowaries are native to the tropical forests of New Guinea, the Moluccas, and northeastern Australia. 3 cassowary species are extant. Cassowaries were once found across much of northern Queensland. They are now limited to isolated populations in the wet tropics and Cape York. The palm cockatoo, also known as the Goliath cockatoo or great black cockatoo, is a large, smoky gray, black parrot of the cockatoo family native to New Guinea, the Aru Islands and the Cape York Peninsula in Queensland, Australia. It has a crest of long feathers atop its head, with a very large and strong, sharply hooked black beak with which it can easily open nuts and seeds, and prominent bright red cheek patches.
Thank you for watching Kings on the Road.